Hey y'all, welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all know how we do it. We get straight to it. And if this is your first time on my channel, baby, welcome. I am Lee. Whew, I'm a little dizzy from that. In this video, I'm going to show y'all how I do my curly braid out. Now listen, this curly braid out is going to last you at least a week. At least a week. I've had my Microlocs for 3 years now, and I've done several curls and several braid outs. This one is the one. Make sure y'all try this one with me. Let's get to it. All right, party people. So step one is to make sure that you part your hair into 4 squares. I'm going to leave out this part right here that I'm gonna work with. All right, step 2 is to apply your products. First things first for me is my hair oil. You can apply this 1 or 2 different ways, the whole entire section, or you can apply it by the parts. When it comes to my moisturizer, I love my Locs. I apply this on the entire section. So this is too easy. Okay, I have my spray bottle. This is my aloe vera water. Spraying to wet my hair. Take my heat protectant, spray it on my hand, rub it in on my locks just like this, and then I'm gonna go in with my foam spray. Do not forget your foam spray on my hands again, just like that, directly on the section, just like so. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Your hair should feel wet, not dripping, but definitely wet. And you'll see I put some oil on my rubber bands, braid this down like so. Bam, 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 bam. This is gonna be a little bit slow at this part because I'm just gonna show you this one and then we will speed it up, okay? You have that lock look like this. Pretty doggone long, huh? I like to start at the end of the roller with the hair that I have, the little tips of the hair that I have out. Started at the very bottom of the roller down here, and then you wanna roll that up and keeping everything kind of flat towards the end. You want to roll this first part of your hair directly on top of that to hold it down. And then you just roll it up like so. And there you have it. She's in. Okay, that's it. That's that. First one and done. Honey, boom, child, bam. And then that's it. I'll come back when we have more done because this process is repetitive and that is all. Okay, let's get it. Oh, before we go, if your hair is drying out, the best thing to add to it is your aloe vera water. That's tea. Now, step 3 is where you're going to get the biggest impact. You must do this step right here. However, steps 3 and 4 go together like peanut butter and jelly. You literally can't have one without the other. However, step 3 is drying your hair. Make sure that you dry your hair to its fullest. There are 2 ways that you can dry your hair. 1 being up under a hair dryer, and 2 is letting it air dry. I typically will air dry my hair. Reason being is because you will get the optimal amount of longevity when you let your hair air dry. Now, if you're in a crunch for time and you just need to hurry up and get your hair dry because you have somewhere to go, then go ahead and use the hair dryer. I can't tell you that you're gonna get the same results, but use it if you need it. Step 4, the takedown. There is a method to my madness, so make sure you're here tomorrow when I show you. Proof is in the pudding. Here's the best part. Step 4. I've already started to take some down because I want to make sure everything was all dry. Here is the method to my madness in this step. When you grab your roller, you want to take it out, right? Get real close. And then you want to hold your curl, hold the base of the curl, and then you want to pull the roller out. That's it. Keep your curl intact. Okay, let me show you one more time. Pull off the roller, hold the base of the curl, slide the roller out, keeping your Microloc intact. That is the key to taking down your hair roll. Another thing that this does is if you're going to walk around all day with your hair like this instead of taking your braids down immediately, then you're going to leave it up like pin curls. It just holds your curls in place so that it gets more wear out of it for the rest of the week. Remember, we're shooting for longevity here. Longevity is key. Another trick that I did not explain was why I put the rubber bands on the ends of my hair. So I will explain that in the next step 5. Here we are in step 5. The reason that I put rubber bands on the ends of my hair is because you know how sometimes when you roll your Microlocs, they're not even, they're not all the same size. I use the rubber bands in order to make sure that when I get that roll, see that roll right there? It all curls. So that's like extra reinforcement for my curl to kind of curl. That's a tip. Make sure y'all leave me a comment below and let me know what y'all feel about that little tip for step 5. All right, I'm excited. I hope y'all been getting something from everything, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the end result. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, do not look super surprised, but it is Halloween and I was doing my makeup. This is the final look. But for this video, this is all about the hair. What do y'all think? The curls are curling. This is a lion look. So I felt like giving volume to the Microlocs would be perfect for this look. Y'all let me know what y'all think and leave me some comments below. Let me know if you're gonna try this or if this video was helpful. Y'all let me know. I do have a reel where I showed y'all how to do this as well. Gave you a little quick tutorial on it. Yeah, y'all, I gotta get up out of here because I'm already late.